10 quietest places to live in the UK. If you're dreaming of a life where the loudest sound is birdsong and the pace of life slows to a gentle stroll, the UK has plenty of hidden gems for you, from the windswept coastlines of Northern Ireland to the rolling hills of England and the Highlands of Scotland. The United Kingdom is full of peaceful places where you can truly breathe. In this video, we take you through the 10 quietest places to live in the UK, drawing from all 4 nations. It's time to discover where silence still lives. 10. Comrie, Perth and Kinross, Scotland. Tucked into the southern Highlands of Scotland, Comrie is a conservation village surrounded by woodlands, hills and the River Erne. Its natural beauty is protected, which means no large-scale developments or noisy industries. This small village is known for its sense of community, regular local festivals and tranquil landscape. The air is clean, the streets are quiet, and the natural world is always within reach. Whether you're exploring Glen Lednock or simply enjoying a quiet cup of tea on the village green, Comrie offers peace in spades. Locals often describe the area as the gateway to the Highlands, a place where nature, tradition and community come together in serene harmony. With its traditional whitewashed buildings and riverside paths, it's also a dream for photographers and nature lovers alike. 9. Gford, Perthshire, Scotland. Famous as the final resting place of Rob Roy, Gford is a tiny village in the Scottish Highlands, nestled beside Loch Foyle. Its isolation and majestic scenery make it a dream for those seeking a quiet life. With its low population and lack of modern hustle, it's common to hear nothing but the rustle of trees and the occasional sheep. It's the kind of place where nature rules, internet speeds are slow, and nobody's in a rush. For some, that's exactly the point. The nearby Balquhidder Glen provides a backdrop of dramatic hills and wildlife that changes with the seasons. Whether it's misty mornings or star-filled skies, this is a destination that invites stillness and reflection. 8. Plton Highlands, Scotland. This small village sits on the shores of Loch Carron and is often described as one of the most picturesque in Scotland. But it's not just beautiful, it's quiet too. With a population of under 400, Plton offers stunning coastal views, peaceful harbour walks, and a calm that's rare in our modern world. The village is a conservation area, meaning its charm is carefully preserved, and the absence of heavy traffic or noisy nightlife keeps things wonderfully hushed. Tourists may visit in summer, but even then, the atmosphere remains gentle and unhurried. Palm trees line the main street thanks to the Gulf Stream climate, and the gentle lapping of the water serves as a daily soundtrack. 7. Lochranza, Isle of Arran, Scotland. On the northern tip of the Isle of Arran, Lochranza is home to fewer than 200 people. It's famous for its wildlife, red deer, seals, and even golden eagles, and its ruined castle by the water's edge. Ferries may come and go, but the pace here never changes. This is a place where time feels like it's standing still. You're more likely to be delayed by a wandering sheep than a traffic jam. Quiet, stunning and truly remote, Lochranza is an island dream. For those who love hiking, the surrounding hills and coastal trails provide solitude and spectacular views. With barely another person in sight, the village also houses a distillery for those who want a taste of Scottish tradition. 6. St Abbs, Scotland. St Abbs is a tiny fishing village that hugs the rugged coastline of southeastern Scotland. With a population of under 100, it's known for its dramatic cliffs, seabird colonies, and peaceful walking trails. The village is part of a national nature reserve, which means conservation and quiet go hand in hand. St Abbs has resisted large-scale tourism and remains a sanctuary for those wanting to escape modern chaos. It's the kind of place where you can hear your thoughts and the ocean. Divers and birdwatchers adore it for its natural richness, and walkers can enjoy clifftop paths that seem to stretch forever without interruption. 5. Gford, East Lothian, Scotland. Just a short drive from Edinburgh, Gford offers the best of both worlds, access to a major city and the tranquility of the countryside. With its leafy streets, historic buildings and quiet pubs, Gford is a haven for those looking for a slower pace of life. The village sits at the foot of the Lammermuir Hills, offering peaceful walks and cycling routes. It's a commuter village, but not a rushed one. Residents cherish its calm, and visitors often wish they could stay. The community hosts regular local events, like the village fair and Christmas lights switch on, all carried out in a gentle, small-town spirit. 4. Fana and Omar, Northern Ireland. This large district in western Northern Ireland is one of the most peaceful places in the country. With low population density and a focus on agriculture and outdoor recreation, it's easy to find silence here. Lough Erne and its surrounding forests provide ideal settings for kayaking, birdwatching, and quiet reflection. Towns like Enniskillen are relaxed and community-focused, and the overall atmosphere is one of serenity. For those wanting to enjoy the island's green heart in peace, Fana and Omar deliver. The region also benefits from minimal industrial development, allowing the natural landscape to dominate everyday life. Farm cottages and lakeside retreats are common accommodations here, appealing to anyone in search of long-term calm. 3. Highlands and Islands, Scotland. Covering a massive area, the Highlands and Islands region includes some of the UK's most remote and least populated areas. Think vast landscapes, mountain lochs, ancient forests, and very few people. Many villages here are accessible only by single-track roads or ferries, which adds to their seclusion. It's not uncommon to go hours without seeing another person. Whether you settle in Ullapool, Durness, or on Skye, the silence of this region is something you don't just hear, you feel it. Night skies in these areas are some of the darkest in Europe, making them ideal for stargazing, while the deep connection to land and history adds a meditative depth to daily life. 2. Northumberland, England. England's quietest county, Northumberland has just 64 people per square kilometre. With its open moorlands, Roman ruins, and sleepy market towns, it's a place where space and silence are abundant. Northumberland National Park and the North Pennines area of outstanding natural beauty, AONB, offer endless opportunities for solitary hikes and stargazing. Places like Rothbury and Bamberg embody the county's unhurried charm. If you want English countryside living without the crowds, this is the place. The region is also dotted with castles, ancient paths, and coastal walks, providing historic peace with modern comfort. Unlike more urban English counties, Northumberland preserves a rhythm of life untouched by noise and haste. 1. Powys, Wales. Powys is the quietest county in all of Wales, and arguably the UK. It has a population density of just 26 people per square kilometre and covers vast swathes of mid-Wales. This is a land of mountains, valleys and silence. The Brecon Beacons National Park and the Ellen Valley are here, and so are countless small towns and villages where time ticks slowly. Llanidloes, Hay-on-Wye and Rhayader are all peaceful, welcoming places where community comes first, and nature is just outside your window. The pace of life here invites mindfulness, and it's common for locals to enjoy daily routines shaped by the natural cycle of daylight and weather, rather than city schedules. For writers, retirees and remote workers, Powys is a dream. If quietude is what you crave, these 10 destinations across the UK offer it in abundance. From remote Highland glens to sleepy Welsh valleys, each spot is a reminder that peace still exists. In a world of constant noise, these places give you the rare gift of silence and space. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.